adult. What are you doing?
I'm just trying to answer this problem, but I can't.
What's the topic?
Newton's law of cooling.
Oh, it's easy. Let me help you.
Here's the problem.
Okay, let me read you. In a university in Philadelphia, a body of a dead girl named Lila was found in the Kappa Kappa Theta water tank after her roommate called a plumber. The police and the detectives rushed immediately in the fraternity house to start an investigation. But before they came, Frank, Lila's boyfriend, who happens to be a law student at Middleton University, wants to solve the case first. The body was found on Friday night, 8 p.m. Frank found out that the temperature inside the fraternity house remained constant at 40 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 10 hours. At the time of discovery, the core temperature of Lila's body was known to be 60 degrees Fahrenheit. 1 hour later, still in the same tank, Lila's body temperature has fallen to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. He presumed that at that time of her death, the temperature of the body was 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, and that cooling took place in accordance with the Newton's law of cooling. Helped Frank determine how many hours passed before they found Lila's deceased body. Now we are going to solve the problem we have earlier. As we all know, the problem is the applications of first-order differential equations, and the topic is Newton's law of cooling. So our objectives: model the temperature change of an object with the first-order differential equation and solving for the cooling application problems. So we have here the simplified problem. So let me read it. The body was found at 8 o'clock in the evening. The temperature inside the water tank remained constant at 40 degrees Fahrenheit. So this will be our temperature of the surrounding. At the time of discovery, the core temperature is known to be 60 degrees Fahrenheit. And 1 hour later, a second temperature reading was conducted on the dead body, and Frank found out that it had fallen to 55 degrees Fahrenheit. He presumed that at the time of her death, the temperature of her body was 98 degrees Fahrenheit. So we have here the simplified given. So the temperature of the surrounding is 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The first reading of the core temperature is 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Second temperature reading of the dead body after 1 hour is 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperature of the dead body at the time of her death, 98 degrees Fahrenheit. And at the time of discovery of the dead body was at 8 o'clock p.m. So what to find? How many hours passed by before they found the dead girl's body? We will use the Newton's law of cooling to find the victim's time of death at a crime scene. So we have the formula. dt is equal to negative k t minus t sub s. So we will cut.
Okay, I understand it now. Thank you so much.
It's okay, you can treat me pizza sometime. Okay, I'll go now, I have class.
Okay.
Bye.
I'm Eldon Espino.
I'm Lauren Te.
I'm Danica May Fernandez.